First off,
Fred sucks.
Huh?
Sorry.
You need the got to be glued spike and glue. Water.
Agua. Se habla español. Channel 23.
Wet hair.
Sometimes you can use pussies.
Spiky.
You don't need glue, by the way. I use something else that's even better.
Gel.
That's sperm.
Then, now it's my turn to do my hair. Gel. Just like Nick Top. On YouTube. Now that's a spike! Should I stop it?
Yes.
YouTube!